finally, actual votes are going to be cast in the presidential primary Monday with the Iowa caucus. And that morning, we're going to be answering all of your questions about political jargon.
Yeah, like what's a caucus and how's that different from a primary?
And why does Iowa get to go first?
Yeah.
If you've got any questions, you can leave them in the comment section right below here.
Yeah,
Or,
like what's a brokered convention? Are we going to have one in here in Cleveland?
that's one of the questions we might answer. And you can also call us at 216-916-6397. Leave a voicemail there. We'll try to answer your questions Monday morning.
Yeah, but I want to know now.
You're going to have to wait.